Hello traders, John at StockBookie.com. Today we're looking at AMD on daily, weekly, monthly time frames. We use technical analysis here at StockBookie.com. So let's get right into the chart. 47 million on the day, 26 cents down. Not a great showing, but the market's being up 135 points on the Dow, almost 50 on the NASDAQ, almost 20 on the S&P. This one could not get running. So everybody's stuck in it going, hey, it's got to go, buy the dip, all that good stuff. But right now, guys, down sideways. This is slightly bearish here, and overall, it's slightly bearish. It's been making lower highs here, chopping down, can't get above. Big area for the bulls, guys. This thing's got to stay above the at least the 200 MA. Right now, it's slipped below the 20. Got to keep an eye on that. If it continues sideways like this, inside this red bar, areas where it's got to go, it's got to get above the 1163. And then up in here into the 618, around 12 to 1225. Then, of course, you have the 1236 area where the 50 MA is. And a big one, guys, if this thing wants to go, if you guys want higher prices, it's got to get above this area right here. Fill this gap and continue going. This is the area that's been holding it down. That's what you need. But going up on the Jicky Jack volume here, no way. Especially right here with these two big volume candles on the nice pop up and then a reversal down, close back below the bar here. This high bar, this was an inside bar to begin with. Got above it, never stayed above, came right back in, guys. Now it's holding this area. We do have another trend line coming back from this pivot low down in here, right around the 629 area. But honestly, if this pattern starts playing out, or if we go sideways for another week or so, and if we go to the weekly chart, I'll show you that in a second. But this is setting up for lower prices. So tighten those stops, guys, especially if you're long. Just, if you get one more push up, just trail it up. If it can't get past here, it's probably most likely going to pull back in. But right now, guys, this is slightly bearish. But wild card gets above this area, then it could possibly get back to the 1550, 1622 area. I'll be giving this one a shot to short. Maybe 17. We'll have to see how it goes. We were short right here on this green candle. We covered everything right here. I really do wish we would have stayed with it, but I was kind of waiting for a retrace back to the highs. Never made it. So at this point, I'm not doing anything. If it comes back up in here, I'll short it. I can't go long in this thing, especially setting up in a bearish pattern. And the other reason, the weekly, guys, weekly is setting up. This is a big inside bar bearish pattern. It's tried to break up. If it could get above the 20 MA and above this big red bar right around, let's say 14 bucks, I like that even number, this one won't be going anywhere. And if it continues down here at the low range of this bar, that's more bearish. You get another month and a half on this one sideways on the weekly, we're easily going down here. I'd say 632, then 5 bucks again. But you got your 941, 824, and then just be careful if you're long. Got great support though at 941 with the 50 MA. So this pattern's really got to keep going for this one to start breaking down. So I think we'll get some choppy up and down action on AMD. So just be careful. Longs, you got to break that trend line. If you get above that, you might get a rally in this thing. If you can't get above it or it gets rejected again and comes back in, then you're most likely going lower. So watch out for those two setups. Higher, above in here, lower, see if this pattern starts to go. If you break this 984, then the 941 area, then you're easily going to the 9, and then we'll go from there. So keep an eye on this one, guys. Anything's possible. Also watch the markets. We had a big rally day. We get a big down day. This one could be even weaker in a down day. Watch for that. All right, if you like the videos, go to StockBookie.com. Sign up for the free membership. You'll get email alerts when we post stuff like this. We're doing some live streaming, hopefully Thursday or June 3rd, which is Friday. So if you sign up, you get the email. We go live during the intraday action, try to find some trades, make some money, do some educational stuff, and just have a good time in the live stream on YouTube. So go to StockBookie, guys, sign up. It's free. What do you have to lose? Again, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. That's why I make them. Hopefully I'm helping some couple people out there trading and what they're doing, if they're long, if they're short. I don't really care. I'm just trying to find some good areas. So again, everyone, thanks for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. God bless. See you on the charts.